Priyapada and I'm from BCom 6M. Today I'm here to give a presentation on the topic of financial modeling. These are the few contents of my presentation. Number one is the introduction. Secondly, there is the uses, merits and demerits of it. Please move the slide. So firstly, what is financial modeling? Financial modeling gives us a representation of a number of companies' operations of data, whether it's related to past, present, and even help us to forecast the upcoming days. Right, that's what forecasting tells us. It helps the people at higher authority, that's our company executive, to find out what informed decisions should we take on. Like it tells them to which project to take on or which project not to take on. Lately, they also think about like which in what cost should be invested in a particular project and how to minimize that cost as well. Let's move to next. Now we talk about the uses of financial modeling. The first and number one is the valuation. Valuation is a very important topic in the financial modeling. As in valuation, we learn about the valuation of stocks as well as the security on any asset of any company. Through financial modeling, we get to do the valuation. Forecasting simply means as forecasting or estimating the upcoming days, right? It helps us to find out the new opportunity. Through the forecasting, we can do so. And for forecasting, we can use up the financial modeling. Thirdly, there is budgeting. Budgeting means to find out exactly what amount to be invested. Like how much allocation of a resources should be particularly done so that nothing gets wasted, nor anything gets too used, right? Everything should be optimizedly being used. That's more important for a budgeting. This is the last point of risk management. So what is risk? We all know in every business there is a risk. Risk and reward both on at the same time. There is nothing come for free, right? In our organization, there are several kinds of risks. It could be an operational market risk or it could be some other kinds of risk. And to handle up that risk, we can use of the financial modeling. Please move to the next. So next one is the merits of the financial modeling. The first one is improved and in-depth understanding. For a financial modeling, we required a huge amount of data regarding past. Sometimes it's required a present, like it could be made for the forecasting of future as well, right? So for conducting this financial modeling, we need to understand each data, like whether it's of revenue, whether it's of expenses, whether it's of your cash flows, all the business models that they use in a business. That too we need for to be used for such. Next one is the informed decision making. As I have already told that in financial modeling helps the executives to conduct the decision making, informed decision making process. So financial, it's the merit of financial making. The third one is the accurate budgeting and forecasting. As financial modeling helps to forecast the upcoming thing as well as for such the whatever the cost required for that is also being estimated and it's somehow to a point accurate, not exactly too correct. Fourth one is the business growth. In financial modeling help us to identify the new opportunities by analyzing the market trends or could be your the market data, demand, competitor behaviors. All through such we could have a good business growth. Lastly, quick output in a for financial modeling we use of the Excel and we all know in Excel there are multiple formulas. Using of that formulas we can get multiple huge amount of data result in a very short period of time. The demerits are firstly it's very complex because as I already mentioned there are a lot of data that you have to go through whether revenue expense or all. For such you have to go through the every data in a deep. Secondly, there is assumption for conducting the financial modeling. You are required to do. You have to make up some assumptions regarding that. Thirdly, there is a lack of transparency for such. And fourth one is time and resources. As huge amount of data is there, so everyone need to go through each data. Whatever data is being made available to them. So there is required of huge resources as well. Data limitation, as we are our whole work is solely depend on data only. So if there is some mistake in data, there is everything goes on an error only. So data is very important for conducting the financial modeling. Thank you.